Welcome back to Hybrid Services YouTube channel. Today we're sharing an amazing customer story on how a UK-based company, Macroscans, turned ultra-detailed scans of tiny creatures into stunning full-colour 3D models using Mimaki's advanced 3D printing technology. Join us as we explore how they bring the microscopic world to life in spectacular detail. Using an ultra-high resolution scanning technique, UK-based Macroscans can bring every detail to life, capturing even the tiniest features. What if you could make those digital models come alive in the real world? Well, with a Mimaki 3D UJ553 full-colour 3D printer, we helped Macroscans create a larger-than-life creepy crawly. Modelled many times larger than its original size, this lifelike beetle feels like it's about to crawl right off the screen. From intricate scans to full-scale 3D models, Mimaki transforms visions into tactile, full-colour, 3D printed reality. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. For more amazing content, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time!